from here. How much you retain out of that, whatever you have attained. This secret comes in hadith of Sahih Muslim. One of the companions of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Sayyidina Hanzala, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. One day he was very upset. And he was coming to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Wanted to complain about his own spiritual state. And he was saying, Nafaka Hanzala. I feel a state of hypocrisy in myself. He was declared. Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu saw him. Asked, what has happened to you, O Hanzala? He said, I feel hypocrisy in myself. Why do you feel that? He said, the reason is that whenever I am sitting in the company of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, I feel myself very high, spiritually very high. As if I am visioning, I am watching, I am seeing the Jannah and Jahannam in my eyes. I feel as if everything has been unveiled, the curtains have been raised, and I can see the Jannah and the Jahannam. So I feel all these conditions while sitting in the company of Holy Prophet. But when I leave the company and go back to my house, to my family, to my job, to my business, to my other worldly affairs, to my daily routine, then I feel that everything is lost. I don't retain that condition, that state. This makes me upset and I feel as if this is hypocrisy. Sayyidina Abu Bakr said, everybody has this is known as, this is a change of states. Change of states. Everybody has this change of states according to his own station. Everybody has the change of states according to his own station and position. This change of state is a hal, state. And everybody possesses, experiences this state according to his own station, his muqam. He said, I also feel similar thing. Let's go together to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Hanzala went in the company of Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala and filed his complaint about his own spiritual changing state. Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam smiled. This hadith comes in Sahih Muslim, Kitab al-Tawbah, Babu Fadl Dawan al-Zikr wal-Fikr. And in the same way, Jami Tirmizi, Kitab Sifat al-Qiyamah wal-Riqa'iq wal-Raqa'iq. Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam smiled and said, Hanzala, there is no hypocrisy in you. No need to be upset. This happens, this is the position of Iman. Iman is sometimes this, sometimes this. It goes down and up, it goes up and down, it goes up and down, it goes up and down. So these kind of changes always, and variations always keep on going in Iman. This is not hypocrisy. Then Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, if you retain the same position and the same spiritual state which you attain in my company, and while you go back to your routine, to your business, the same position continues. It remains stable. So because of this stability of spiritual state, then you will possess a station whereby you will walk in the streets and angels would come and they would stand to your right and left to do your ziyarah and to shake hands with you. If you become able to maintain the position and you become able to stabilize your spiritual state which you receive and attain in my company, and you retain and protect and maintain it afterwards too, then angels may come to see you and they may stand your right and left while you are walking in the streets and they would like to shake hands with you. get blessings from you. The angels would like to get blessings from you. It means, Holy Prophet ﷺ said this. He mentioned 2-3 things. One, he said that this change of state is not against Iman. At least this is Iman which made you upset. You became upset. This is the influence of Iman. You felt a change in your spiritual state and became upset and ran back to me to lie a complaint with me. So this is Iman which has influenced you. So Iman is there, intact. But sometimes Iman goes up, sometimes down. These are the levels and grades, strength and weakening, strengthening or weakening. But if you become stable in the spiritual state, the second thing he mentioned, that there is a possibility that somebody may stabilize these conditions. There is a possibility that somebody may retain this state, retain this attainment, retain these spiritual effects in his heart and in his spirit and in his batin, inner self. So stability is also possible. So those people who are in the state of changing, it is known as state of transformation. The changing state is known as transformation. And in suluk and tasawwuf, it is known as talween, changing colors. Changing. This is talween, transformation. And if you come out of the process of transformation, of changing the states, and you become stable person in your spiritual states, so stability, this is known as tamkeen. Tamkeen. And from tamkeen is tamakkun, stability. It does not change your state. So talween is transformation. He was complaining about talween. Holy Prophet said, no, this is one of the characteristics of Iman. What he said, that you should look for tamkeen. Your being upset is not wrong, but at the same time don't consider it hypocrisy. But you should try to advance further spiritually, and you should try to come out from the position station of talween and achieve the station of tamkeen, so that you may become stable in your spirituality. So these are the changes in Iman, in the states, spiritual states. These are the changes. And these changes occur because of the effects of company, and effects of your deeds, and effects of your continuity in piety, or discontinuity in piety. And this is a part of spiritual traveling sometimes.